This is the USB-C cable I've been searching for a long time. Completely tangle-free, super flexible, and built to last. It's easily the most durable and best made cable I've ever used. And on top of that, it delivers seriously fast charging and data transfer speeds. Moreover, after using it in real-world setups, I can truly say it hasn't disappointed me once. So I'm genuinely excited about this one. I may not sound like it, but do believe me. It's just the way I talk. Let's go from the start. It actually comes with two cables inside. I picked it up the 3.3 foot one and a shorter 1.6 foot version. Yeah, the price might seem a little steep at first, but hear me out, because I've got some solid reasons why it's worth every penny. Let's take a look. The fast charging cable from ChubbyCable with a power rating of up to 240 watts. It features 240 watt fast charging, a smooth skin-friendly finish, and a super flexible tangle-free design, plus full compatibility with a wide range of devices. Have a look at the back here. You can see all the specs. And so you know, ChubbyCable didn't sponsor this or send these to me. I bought them myself, as you saw earlier. And honestly, this cable has been the best I've used so far, mainly because of its incredible speed and flexibility. It's literally the most bendable, tangle-free cable I've ever tried, as you will see when I put it next to a few of my other USB-C cables. You can instantly tell how much softer and more flexible this one is. So I picked up the 3.3 foot cable that's about 1 meter and the 1.6 foot version or half a meter. And right away, just holding them, I can tell they are top quality, next level quality. They've got that soft, dense feel that just screams durability and precision. So they're like, let's make this clear. 40 gigabits per second and 240 watts of charging power. Taught me, which is likely the OEM behind this ChubbyCable model. This shorter one's ideal for my near to the laptop camera or iPhone. No messy cable hanging around. Can you tell how flexible this is? It bends so easily without feeling flimsy. Just super smooth and soft to the touch. Have a look at the connector head. That's solid aluminum right there. This shows that it's mechanically assembled, not glued, which is a sign of quality craftsmanship. Here's the 3.3 footer, super handy for different setups. For example, I'm left-handed, so I would use this to hook my iPad up to my MacBook. I can wrap the cable around the back so it stays out of the way while I'm tutoring math, and the left side is clear. And look how jello-y this thing is. Super soft, flexible, and just bouncing right back into shape. I know what you're thinking. Why not make one that bends and stays in that shape, right? Well, that's a wire hanger, isn't it? Yeah, I don't think I want one of those anyway. Storing it would be a total hassle. And just to compare, and here's the stiff Apple Thunderbolt 3 cable. And this is my most used braided USB-C cable with the same speed and power delivery as the ChubbyCable. Same length, but the feel and flexibility are different. It does flex, but heavy and stiff, and doesn't move as naturally as the ChubbyCable. And just imagine how heavy this braided 3.3 foot cable feels when you're carrying it around. Now compared to the ChubbyCable, it's lighter, smoother, and way easier to pack and coil up. And here's a quick look at some of the cables I use all the time. A stiffer OWC cable, solid but not flexible at all. Here's my short Thunderbolt 5 cable, great for high-speed work, but again, pretty rigid. This long white Anker 100 watt charger, reliable, but it's heavy and gets tangled easily. Basic speed data transfer. Apple cable, good, but won't coil back, and honestly, I don't trust the data speed on it. And this J5 100 watt cable, slow data transfer, so I only use it for basic charging. And this, I really thought this is the one, but no, it's stiff as a frozen noodle. If you're interested in the magnetic adapters, the affiliate link is in the description. Using it really helps support this channel. Thank you so much. Just want to see how simple it is to wrap this up and secure it with the strap. Alright, check this out. I'm running a speed test, Thunderbolt 5 on one side and a ChubbyCable on the other. First, I'll start with the Thunderbolt 5 cable. I'll speed up the video here. In the second run, same cable. Now the HyperTransfer ChubbyCable. I know there are other factors involved when speed testing, but at the very least, I want to make sure it's not running at 480 megabit per second. When I do online tutoring, I want to be comfortable. No wires getting in the way, and the ChubbyCable wraps around the MacBook so nicely. It just stays out of my workspace.
They call it like terms or similar terms, so therefore that's 9p. So you can see the difference. This one is like it's written different. Now I'll do more. If this were p squared.
Now, what if my camera is really close to my MacBook like this? Space is tight. I can just bend the ChubbyCable into this S shape, no problem. Or how about this overhead arc? Transferring files, no problem. Fast. Now, how about plugging in a phone? Bend it how you want it. And of course, the famous S shape. So just to recap, this ChubbyCable is honestly the bomb. You get this solid metal connector that feels premium, not cheap. The cable itself bends like butter. Super flexible, super soft, and it stays where you shape it. The best part, it's fast. You're getting the full data transfer speed and real 240-watt charging power. No stiffness, no fighting it, no bulky weight. For me, it's easily replacing the stiff Thunderbolt cables, the heavy braided ones, and pretty much everything else on my desk. But I do think I need to get some more with different lengths. Anyway, that's all I've got. Thank you for watching.